Hello! Today we are going to learn how to make a Halloween costume for Night Ninja, the super stealthy villain from the show PJ Masks. And the best part is that these costumes require no sewing. Your trick-or-treater will love them! Let's start by going over the materials that we need. We need a pair of scissors, a single hole punch, elastic string, a pencil, and a hot glue gun. You're going to need a parent to help you with the gluing and the cutting.
I know I'm already super famous for doing bad guy stuff, but wait until I've done this!
For Night Ninja's mask, we need dark blue and teal foam sheets, sparkly stickers, and a few different blue markers. For the rest of our Night Ninja costume, we need a dark blue shirt, some dark blue tights, dark blue gloves, some teal ribbon, and some more sparkly stickers.
After them, Ninjalinos!
Finally, it's time to make our Night Ninja costume. To start, we trace and cut out the mask shape using the dark blue foam.
You don't even know which buttons to press.
Well, you can't point the shrinky hose.
Yes, I can.
Can't.
Can too.
Your time is up.
Now we use the teal foam to trace Night Ninja's eyebrows and some shapes to decorate his face. To make his eyebrows really pop, let's outline them in blue Sharpie. Okay, we're ready to glue everything into place. Night Ninja's eyebrows go from light blue to dark blue, so we'll use some different blue markers to mimic that effect. Now for the best part. We get to add the sparkles. We're using stickers, but you could also use sequins or even glitter. Finally, we thread through the elastic string and tie 2 knots on the back. Wow! Our Night Ninja mask is finished!
Oh, come on, let's fire this thing!
For the rest of our Night Ninja costume, we need to add some teal details to Night Ninja's shirt. We put the shirt on our trick-or-treater and use some white chalk to mark where the ribbon should go on the sleeve. Now, we add a teal stripe to the sleeves, the cuffs, and a teal belt across the middle.
Oh dear, what a PJ playground predicament. See ya later, sandy slobs.
And the best part? adding the sparkly stickers. We also put the tights on our trick-or-treater and used white chalk to mark where the ribbon should go. We added some teal ribbon down the legs and around the cuffs. Now let's add the sparkles. For the final touch, let's add some sparkles to the dark blue gloves. Our Night Ninja masterpiece is complete. Check out our other videos to learn how to make costumes for Luna Girl and Romeo. PJ Masks villains, we showed all right, causing some mischief on Halloween night.
Catboy! Owlette! Gekko! Let's go!
Goes into the night so they can save the day. Who are these heroes to show you the way?
PJ Masks for the PJ Masks. PJ Masks for the PJ Masks. 'Cause bedtime is the right time to fight crime. I can't think of a rhyme. PJ Masks for the PJ Masks. PJ Masks for the PJ Masks. PJ Masks!
Catboy and the Sticky Splat Slingshot. Cool! A new martial arts movie's coming out.
I feel like we've seen this one before.
We have! These aren't movie posters. That's Night Ninja. What's he up to?
Maybe it has something to do with all that dripping goo.
Looks like some kind of sticky splat. And a lot of it.
It could be his biggest bad guy move yet.
Don't worry, I'll just do my biggest hero save ever. It would make a cool Catboy poster. We'll all save the day. As long as the mission gets won, it doesn't matter who does what. Sure, but this save will be one for the record books. I can't wait. PJ Masks, we're on our way. Into the night to save the day.
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Amaya becomes
Owlette! Yeah!
Greg becomes
Gekko! Yeah!
Connor becomes
Catboy.
The PJ Masks!
To the cat car. Let's follow this trail of posters. Keep it up, my Ninjalinos. Soon, everyone will know who I am. What? The PJ Masks are coming? Excellent. Hold it right there, Night Ninja. What's with the posters? Aw, PJ Pests. You can't blame me for showing off a bit.
I am about to do the baddest bad guy move ever!
This is perfect! If Night Ninja does a big villain move, I can do the biggest super save ever!
I know I'm already super famous for doing bad guy stuff, but wait until I've done this! I'm going to cover the city with huge sticky splats.
Huh?
One for the school, one for the museum, and let's not forget the park. People will be talking about it forever and cleaning it up forever, too.
Wriggling reptiles! Those are big!
Don't worry, Gekko. Leave this to me. Ha! So that's what you've been doing in your spare time?
Being a villain is more than a hobby. These sticky splats aren't just big. My new formula makes them bouncy, so they'll be even better. What do you mean not bad enough? You've got a better idea? We'll see about that. Sticky splats away!
I'll stop the first ball while you guys go after the other two. I have a much better idea. Wait, my best save ever, remember? Here it comes. Super Cat Leap!
I've got it!
Stopping a bunch of little balls isn't awesome, but stopping one big one is. This is totally going in the record books. Look out, Catboy! Whoa! Oh no, my cat car! I just washed that!
What do you mean, epic fail? I don't want to hear your silly idea. I'm the bad guy. We'll do the super bad moves my way. I know that plan didn't work, but the next one will. I'm not done yet, PJ Pests. You'll see.
I can't believe my super save didn't work.
Don't worry about your super moves, Catboy. We just have to win the mission.
But this is my big chance to do the best hero stuff ever. Find my cat's whiskers. We lost him.
Owl eyes! There he is!
Get ready for some hero awesomeness, Night Ninja.
Hey, where'd he go?
Furballs! It's a sticky splat web! Huh?
There's still one way out. Going up!
Uh-oh! Oh, I can take care of this with my super Gekko muscles.
Wait, Gekko. I'm busting out of this web at super cat speed. Get ready, record books.
No, Catboy, wait!
You PJ Pests are caught like flies in my web. This is bigger and badder than I've ever imagined. What do you mean it's not bad enough? Fine, then I'll think of something even badder. The baddest move of all.
Super Gekko muscles! Hang on, I'll get you down. Stand back.
Thanks, Gekko. Night Ninja's not done yet. And this time, I'll really do the biggest save ever. It's gonna be awesome!
A Catboy! Wait, I've got an idea! Grah! I've lost it. You have an idea? No, Ninjalinos don't have evil plans. I do! Now hush!
We've got you now, Night Ninja. What are you planning? Tell us.
Give me a second. Oh, it's so hard for villains to be original these nights.
Show's over. He's out of ideas.
But now I'll never get to do my super save.
Catboy, we stopped him.
I know. It's just, if he doesn't do really bad stuff, how can I do really good stuff? Some villain Night Ninja turned out to be.
What? All right, Ninjalinos, give me that idea. Now!
Why did you do that?
It's okay. Whatever he does, I'll do it better.
Uh-huh. Thanks for reminding me, Ninjalinos. That's what I was planning all along. Tag, you're it. What's he up to now?
Let's get him. It's time for my big save, PJ Masks. Come on.
Just wait. This is all new. And it really is my best idea ever.
And you've already used the web, too.
Oh, but you haven't seen the big picture yet. Psst. How does it work? Yes. I don't like where this is going. I'm going to slingshot you at your silly headquarters. You'll stick to it, and I'll cover you with even more goo. You PJ Splats will be stuck there forever.
This is all my fault. We wouldn't be in this mess if I hadn't tried to do some big super save.
It's going to take all of us to get out of this sticky situation.
It's time to be a hero! Quick, Gekko, get us unstuck!
Super Gekko muscles!
Yes! You're up next, Owlette. It's time for some awesome aerialness.
You got it. Super Owl Wings!
And now for the best super save of all. And we'll do it together! Owlette, now!
Hey, Night Ninja! Incoming! But that's impossible! How about a little PJ Masks bowling?
Nice work, guys. That was the most awesome rescue ever.
You're not upset you didn't get to do your best ever super save?
My best ever super save was letting us stop Night Ninja. Together.
PJ Masks, so shout hooray! 'Cause in the night we save the day!
Let's call this Night Ninja's biggest defeat by the PJ Masks.
He'll be rolling away for a long time.
Yeah! Oops, I got a bit of glue on me.
Well, good friends should always stick together.